everyone. Out flounder fishing again. This time I'm fishing in the deeper part of the channel and having trouble holding bottom with my small 3/4 ounce jig. My line is scoping and I'm tripping way too fast with wave coming at me from both sides. Not good. Time to move. Reeling the line up fast, a bluefish hit and broke me off. Cost me $7. Not a good sign to start the first strip of the day. This is what the wave looked like from my point of view. It's not very good. So you might not notice, but there are actually about 10 kayakers around me fishing in the same spot, all within about 100 feet or so. Probably have to fish a new area next time I'm going fluking. Don't seem to have a place to get a proper drift. Kind of crazy. There are lots of sea robin around here today, but the flounders are hard to come by. I was able to hook up with this undersized splatter here. So he goes back. If you have any particular fluke rig that you have success with or a technique that you use, please post them in the comment section. I would like to try them next time when I do go out for them. Thanks. And this one's also just barely reach 17 inches. Not a keeper. Has to go back.
A lot of sea robin here.
So okay, here as soon as the jig hit the bottom, it hooked up, but it came off right away. So I dropped right back down and he hit it again. So with the black sea bass season open soon, I'll be taking a break from fluke fishing and go after the black sea bass and some porgy as well. Stay tuned. No keeper size today, but it was still fun fishing. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.